I had to move my wood into the tent. I got some sticks and stuff over here, and my book bag over there, which is kind of hard to see. Yeah. Got my boots in here and everything. It's raining at the moment. It's not coming down hard, but it's raining. It's still Sunday. Date I couldn't tell you because I don't know offhand. It's the last week of June. That I will say. So whatever day that is for Sunday is. But I'm just laying here. I'm actually kind of bored. I don't have my phone to play a game on or anything, so that kind of fucking sucks. And I'm just laying here, like just thinking of all type of whatever, keep my mind occupied. I think I took about a 10-minute nap at some point in time, maybe. I think I did. I recall, dozing for a second, but I'm not sure for how long. I looked at the watch. It's like 10 o'clock. It's so fucking early. Oh my god. Like, damn. Yes, 10 o'clock is early for me. Given the fact that most jobs I ever had, are, again, second or third shift. I'm more used to being awake at night regardless. That's that insomnia, type thing. But when I looked at the watch, it was just a moment ago. And I'm just like, bullshit. It's only 10 o'clock. Sun went down at 9. I don't know where that's at. Something just dripped on me. Yeah, I'll just move over. I'll be alright. I'm pretty warm and dry. You know, there's a few holes in here, but nothing that's gonna make me freak out or anything. But yeah, sun died down at 9 o'clock. You know, I was actually in my tent about 8:45. Really, that's early. Um, I had my got my fire going and everything, and I'm just laying here, and then I look at the clock, and I'm like, bullshit. I swear, I've been laying here for at least 3-4 hours. But I guess I haven't. At least 3-4 hours. Well, it's raining pretty good now. And there is a hole at the top of my tent. That was on purpose, to let the smoke out. I think that's what I'm feeling right now. For the most part, if I keep my fire going, I'll be all right regardless. So, but I'm just bored. Last night I went and watched some TV. First time I really watched some TV in a while. And I wasn't even satisfied with that. Watched some ESPN, probably about like a good 2.5 hours. Like I left out of my tent somewhere about 12. Went to the truck stop and you know just watched some TV. I was really bored. There we go. But, I mean, I'm dry, so I'm all right. I think I need to pull these twigs into the tent a little bit more. I kind of really don't have the room, to be all the way honest. I mean, they'll be all right. Even if they are, a little bit wet. I mean, I do have the room, but, I just got to finagle it, and I don't know. Kind of don't feel like it. I'm just going to lay there by this radiant ambient heat. Get up tomorrow morning, go to the library and get my third vid up on YouTube, which by the time this reaches YouTube, it should be about my 12th vid, somewhere around there. Like I did a calculation on gigs of data that I have, and I'm still working on the first 32 gig card. Like, it's been a few days. It's not hard to do any type of video editing, but the one thing I found out, I don't know if I ever said it, but I noticed that my videos in the folder, like when I go into the computer, they're out of sequence. I don't know why. I mean, I can change that, but they were out of sequence. It was throwing me off, and I got to sit there and I got to listen to each vid, and anything I want to cut out. There was one clip I had to cut into it because I had my camera in my bag and it was on at the same time. And I was just trying to film like that, to see if it was working right for me. And there was a lot of noise the camera was making against the bag. So, I gotta listen to the vids and cut out whatever, wherever, yada, yada, yada. And, it takes a little bit of time. And the library chairs aren't that comfortable. Haven't filmed anything the last couple of days, really. You know, I met a few people, had some conversations, and, it was pretty cool, just to meet some people. Met the one guy the other day. He he had just got out of jail, you know, and I was talking to him. We were talking music. It was pretty cool. And he was telling me that he's clean now. Giving detox, and he wants to stay that way. Hopefully, pray to God for him. Amen. Yeah, we said we talked for a few hours. Just music this and music that. And like I said, it was pretty cool. I had a few cups of coffee. Granted, I really didn't need it, but I just felt like drinking some coffee. I'm actually a little bored right now, I guess. I guess giving up would be bored, on a repetitive tip, just coming to the tent, 9, 10 o'clock, whatever the case. And then just like laying here, if I can go to sleep or not, regardless, but just laying here. And I don't have a fidget. I got this nice fire. It's very warm. Yeah. But I definitely will be in Portsmouth. Technically, that's how you would pronounce it. Portsmouth. I will be there for the 4th of July. So that would be very, very cool to be on the Ohio River, 4th of July, see the fireworks over the river, see how Portsmouth does it. Pretty sure they do it pretty well. Going to the bridge and just watch the fireworks. That'd be coolers. That would be coolers. Like, I've been postponing leaving here, given the fact that editing the videos, and then I finally got around to. And again, I swear I did not know YouTube had an editor. I just did not know that. I've never even seen a link on like Google or Yahoo or Jeeves or Bing or whatever said a YouTube editor. I just never knew. Because I would have did that a long time ago. Honestly. But it's just been pushed back and pushed back and pushed back. But now that I got that going, I just gotta take the entire week and just sit at the library. There's a library over here by me. It's the elementary school library. I'm not saying I can't use that one, but I just got this feeling that it won't be comfortable, or nor more comfortable than the main library, given the fact that that's a library for children. I'm not gonna try to sit in the little clown chair. I'm cool. I mean, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. It could be raining hamburgers. Or co-hangers, at least, you know. So yeah, I'm just laying here, just nothing. Nothing to say, nothing to do. Had some cool conversations with a few people at a couple of gas stations, you know. Jess, she's pretty cool. She's cooler than Polar Bear Poon. Ah, I know, right? Like this guy, he just sounds bored. Yeah, but Jess, she's really, really cool, you know. I had some casual conversations with her. Why not? There's a one woman, Tara, over at the other gas station, you know. Talk to her on a regular. I was talking to her kid. You know, he had a baseball game and he ended up like vomiting on the field. And I was talking to him about it. He was saying, he was like, oh, you know, I was just thirsty. I was like, yeah, you were drinking pop probably. Don't eat sugar before you go out there. Because it was like really, really hot that day. I think it was like close to 100 degrees. You know, and the kids were out there on the field. Which I'm pretty sure, I mean, that's typical, you know. Baseball season, I mean, it'll get hot. But he plays t-ball. And he'll actually be able to play softball next year, so, you know, that'll be cool for him. She said she was going to invite me to one of the games at some point in time, you know. Hopefully that's before I leave. I mean, obviously, you know, before I leave, period. You know. I would care to sit at a baseball game. That would be fun. I haven't watched a good baseball game in a while. I did get to see some good PGA clips off of ESPN yesterday. I love a good game of golf. Like, I could seriously sit through a game of golf before I could sit through a game of baseball any day. And, you know, I'm not like a golf advocate or anything, but that's a pretty hard sport. You know, just like talking about ball striking, like that's just really, really hard to do. You know, to just be able to accurately hit the ball exactly on the club where you want it. So, I mean, if you can do that, like, you got my thumbs up. And it's really coming down now. Yeah, it's really, really coming down now. Yeah, part of these twigs are like really, really wet now. But that's alright. They will still flame on. Damn. I had a bowl of like wood chips I kind of left out there. They're all wet now. I'll just set them over there and hopefully they dry off. I mean, if they don't, I mean, it's not a big deal anyway. I got dry wood and I got wet wood. Giggity. I'm gonna just have to reposition myself in here, make sure I'm inside of the tent, because it's really, really coming down now. And I'm getting a good splash, I guess. And everything is just getting wet. I mean, I'm pretty dry, don't get me wrong. I hope I survive this. I'm gonna get off of here and reposition myself, and because I'm getting wet in a few areas. I know why, and I need to fix it. So, I'll holla. It is like 6 in the morning. I just hope the rain lets up, you know. Not, it's gonna come down. I'm gonna have to deal with it. I'll holler.